Welcome back for another Tactic Tuesday. This is mainly for the agents that are out there and also a couple for sale by owners. This time of the market, we're going into midwinter or beginning of winter, and it's the first week of December. So you're going to see a lot of people stop looking for houses. Not like stop completely, but slow down at least. The reason for this is because you got to put yourself in their shoes. What time of season are we in? So who's going to buy a big ticket item over the holidays? And if there's any other of those, myths out there that deter people from buying because you're not getting the results that you want, the common excuse is, the interest rate, the inflation, the market. No, it's your property. It's what's going on in your area. So the Tactic Tuesday for today is, if you're trying to increase volume, amount of people going to your house, try multiple avenues. Okay, so the most common one for real estate agents is open houses, okay? Another common one besides open houses is estate sales, garage sales. That are the most common after that, to get people to come to your house, complete strangers, throw some ads out there, whether it's social media, put it on the newspaper, word of mouth, put the signs out there. They're the three most popular ones. But do I want to put them all together? Do I want to have that garage sale, estate sale, and open house, and people are bumping into each other? Well, you can, but you have to be able to control that chaos. You have to be able to differentiate between that person over here and what they're there for, and this person over there. So what I would do is, like, if you were having an estate sale or you're having a garage sale, and at the same time you're trying to sell the house, take all the items, put them into one location, like a garage, a big room, a basement, whatever. So this way you can keep one group of people, that area, have somebody concentrate on them and have somebody concentrate on that goal, and then the other person focus on the sale of the house. So this way they're not interrupted by, hey, this Wizard of Oz figure, what's this going for? And that's the best way to do it. But either way, even if you have a controlled chaos, and we have one of those situations, but we also had over 50 people come out. The owner made some good money off the products that they were selling, and this way they didn't have to throw out these memories, those pieces. Now can continue having memories, and we actually got 3 offers on the house. Not a bad day, right? So give it a shot, and if you need more help on it, please reach out to me for any real estate, any mortgage, any title, coaching questions, anything. 267-549-2505. Just remember, it may be our team, but we're here for your dream. Okay? Take care. Bye.